Good morning, Gulf of Mexico. It is August 2nd, and this is your morning forecast. We have a frontal boundary that is stretching across the northern Gulf of Mexico at this time, probably looking to be a more active period in terms of showers and storms for the next few days, maybe even a disruption in the winds in the northern Gulf as well. But overall, no significant weather patterns across the rest of the Gulf in terms of any troughs, tropical waves, or tropical systems. Well, let's take a look at our current conditions and then dive into the forecast. Ongoing scattered showers and storms are noted off of Louisiana, extending towards the Mississippi Delta area as well. Not much really going on right now offshore Texas. There we've got winds out of the south to southwest around 10 to 15 knots. More of a variable flow pattern in the eastern Gulf of Mexico at this time. That cold front pushing down into the area is going to park itself just north of the Gulf Coast, probably across the deep south states, and generate a more active convective pattern across the northern Gulf of Mexico throughout today and tonight, but also extending into Tuesday and Wednesday as well. Doesn't really move that far offshore, so not really looking at much of a wind change for the northern Gulf. Just as you can see here, a much more active storm pattern expected into the middle of the week. As a result of that front sitting over the area, we're probably not going to see any significant wind pattern. I might see a slight wind shift in the northern Gulf of Mexico area, probably just east of the Mississippi Delta, but for the most part, probably going to expect an easterly to southeasterly flow pattern across most areas with more of a variable pattern setting up in the eastern Gulf of Mexico. Once that front starts to finally lift out of the area, probably towards the end of Wednesday night into Thursday, might start to see some more consistent southerly to southwesterly flow in the western Gulf of Mexico, but overall winds expected to remain pretty light. Wave heights are expected to remain fairly low across the Gulf as that front sits over the area. Probably wave heights on the order of around 2 to 3 feet expected for the most part. Maybe a few occasional 4-foot waves in some areas. One area we will have to watch out for, though, will be Wednesday evening. Could see a bit of a spike in waves in the eastern Gulf of Mexico, up to around 4 to 5 foot waves easily. Might even see a few isolated 6-foot waves in that spike as well. That should then decrease as we move into Thursday morning and Thursday afternoon.
Additional information can be found on Weather Century Online. If you have any questions, consultations are available via the online consulting forum. Have a great day.